Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, feel at home. If you're one of our returning subscribers, thank you very much for the support and welcome back. Today, we dive into the skills and strategies that help us level up in life. We are tackling a topic that everyone faces daily: decision making. Whether it's choosing what to have for breakfast or making life-changing career moves, good decision making is crucial. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step guide to making smarter, more confident decisions. So what is decision making? Decision making is the process of making a rational choice by identifying and assessing numerous available options. This crucial function is at the heart of humanity, where every person consciously or subconsciously makes numerous decisions that help shape their future. It's like navigating a path through a multitude of options to select the most suitable course of action. At times, decision making can be complex, involving careful consideration of available alternatives. Ultimately, it's about finding the best path forward to achieve your set goals. It's a rational and scientific approach that underpins all functions. Decisions made today influence one's future, making decision making a cornerstone of successful life in general. Understanding the decisions at hand. The first step in making any decision is understanding exactly what you are deciding. It sounds simple, but this is where many people go wrong. You need to clearly define the problem or choice in front of you. Ask yourself these three things. What is the decision I need to make? What are the potential outcomes of the decisions I'm going to make? Why is this decision important? This is important because whatever you decide, you have to be willing and ready to face the consequences of your decision. By clarifying the decision, you set yourself up for a more focused and informed process. Gather information. Gather all relevant information. This step is crucial because decisions based on partial or inaccurate information can lead to poor outcomes. Start by listing out what you know and identifying gaps in your knowledge. Seek advice. Don't just be a know-it-all. Seek advice from trusted sources. Do your research. Some people say do your due diligence. Do your research and weigh the pros and cons. But here's a tip: avoid information overload. Just focus on quality and not quantity. Identify alternatives. Now that you have the information you need, it's time to identify your options. What are the different paths you could take? List out all the possible alternatives, even the ones that might seem less obvious or unconventional. Sometimes, the best choice isn't immediately apparent, so it's important to consider every angle before moving forward. Weigh the evidence. With your options laid out, the next step is to weigh the evidence. This means evaluating each option against your criteria, whether it's cost, time, impact, or alignment with your values. Think of it like a balance scale. You are putting the pros on one side and the cons on the other. Which option gives you the best balance? Take your time here. This is where the critical thinking really comes into play. Make the decision. Now, the moment of truth comes in. Making the decision at this stage you've done your homework, considered your options, and weighed the evidence. Trust the process and go with the option that best aligns with your goals and values. It's normal to feel some uncertainty, but don't let fear of making the wrong choice paralyze you. Remember, indecision is also a decision in itself. Take action. Once you've made your decision, it's time to act. This is where many people stumble. Making a decision is only half the battle. Implementing it effectively is just as important. Set clear steps for execution and don't hesitate. The faster you take action, the sooner you'll see results. Finally, review your decision. After you've acted, it's essential to review the outcome. Did it work out as expected? And what could you change if you need different results? Many people procrastinate on decisions because they are overwhelmed by the fear of making a mistake, or even worse, not being liked by people. But the extent to which you might labor on any particular facet of decision making should be determined by one thing: risk. Your assessment of risk will detect whether you should take more or less cautious approach towards your decision making. With a commitment to prospectively evaluating your decisions, you will find yourself able to make better decisions faster than you've ever done before. Learning this as an individual will accelerate your development and enhance your performance. The higher up you go, the greater the impact this skill will have in your life. Cultural beliefs and performance. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and well-being. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.